10 smartest birds on the planet. What if I told you that some birds can solve puzzles, recognize human faces, use tools, and even learn hundreds of words? Most people think intelligence belongs only to humans, dolphins, or primates, but the bird world is full of incredible geniuses. From crafty crows to talking parrots, these feathered masterminds continue to amaze scientists with abilities that seem almost unbelievable. Stay until the end because the number one bird on this list has intelligence so advanced that many researchers compare it to that of a young child. Let's begin. 10. Pigeon, the urban genius. Pigeons are often overlooked because they are everywhere, but these common birds are far smarter than most people realize. Scientists have discovered that pigeons can recognize individual human faces and remember them for years. Even if a person changes clothes, a pigeon can often identify them based on facial features alone. These birds also have remarkable navigation skills. They can travel hundreds of miles and still find their way home with incredible accuracy. Researchers believe pigeons use a combination of the Earth's magnetic field, the sun's position, and visual landmarks to navigate. In laboratory tests, pigeons have demonstrated the ability to distinguish between different paintings, letters, and even medical images. Some studies suggest they can identify patterns almost as effectively as trained humans in certain tasks. Their brains may be small, but pigeons process information surprisingly efficiently. This intelligence has allowed them to thrive in busy cities around the world. The next time you see a pigeon walking down the street, remember that you're looking at a bird with impressive memory, navigation abilities, and problem-solving skills. 9. Woodpecker finch, the tool user. The woodpecker finch is a small bird found in the Galapagos Islands, yet it possesses a remarkable talent that places it among the smartest birds on Earth. Unlike many birds that rely solely on their beaks, this species uses tools to obtain food. When insects hide deep inside tree bark, the woodpecker finch carefully selects a twig, cactus spine, or small stick and inserts it into crevices to pull out its prey. This behavior demonstrates advanced problem-solving skills and planning. Tool use was once considered a uniquely human trait, but birds like the woodpecker finch challenged that belief. Researchers have observed these birds modifying tools to make them more effective, showing flexibility and creativity. Young finches learn this skill through observation and practice. Over time, they become more efficient and capable of solving increasingly complex feeding challenges. Their ability to adapt to difficult environments has helped them survive on islands where food sources can be limited. By using intelligence instead of strength, these birds gain access to meals unavailable to many other species. The woodpecker finch proves that innovation isn't limited to humans. It can also be found in the feathers of a small island bird. 8. Macaw, the clever problem solver. Macaws are famous for their dazzling colors, but their intelligence is equally impressive. These large parrots possess excellent memory and advanced learning abilities that rival many mammals. Scientists have observed macaws solving puzzles that require multiple steps. They can manipulate objects, understand cause and effect relationships, and remember solutions long after learning them. In the wild, macaws must locate seasonal food sources spread across large areas. Their strong memory helps them remember the location of fruit trees and safe nesting sites. This ability plays a crucial role in their survival. Macaws are also highly social birds. They communicate using a variety of calls and body language signals. Their social intelligence allows them to cooperate with flock members and recognize individual birds. Researchers have found that macaws can understand simple concepts involving shapes, colors, and object permanence. Some have even demonstrated basic counting abilities. Their curiosity drives them to explore new situations and learn from experience. This combination of memory, communication, and problem-solving makes macaws some of the smartest parrots in the world. Behind those vibrant feathers lies a brain capable of remarkable cognitive feats. 7. African gray parrot, the talking genius. When it comes to language skills, few birds can compete with the African gray parrot. These parrots are widely regarded as some of the most intelligent animals on Earth. The most famous example was a parrot named Alex, who learned hundreds of words and could identify colors, shapes, numbers, and objects. He didn't simply mimic sounds, he appeared to understand the meanings behind many of them. African gray parrots can associate words with specific objects and actions. They can answer questions, request items, and even express preferences. Their communication abilities have fascinated researchers for decades. These birds possess exceptional memory and learning skills. They quickly learn routines and can remember information for long periods. Their intelligence helps them navigate complex social environments in the wild. African greys are also highly observant. They watch their surroundings carefully and learn by imitation. This ability allows them to adapt to changing situations and solve new problems. Their combination of language understanding, memory, and social intelligence makes them one of the most impressive bird species ever studied. For many scientists, African gray parrots provide valuable insight into how intelligence and communication evolve in animals. 6. Kea, the mischievous genius. The kea, native to New Zealand, is often called the world's smartest parrot. These curious birds are famous for their playful personalities and incredible problem-solving abilities. Kea love exploring objects and figuring out how things work. Researchers frequently use puzzle boxes to test their intelligence, and these birds consistently perform exceptionally well. They can cooperate with other kea to achieve goals, demonstrating advanced social intelligence. Some experiments have shown that they understand when teamwork is necessary to obtain rewards. Kea are also known for their creativity. They approach challenges from multiple angles and often discover solutions that surprise researchers. This flexibility is considered a hallmark of advanced intelligence. In the wild, kea face harsh mountain environments. Their ability to adapt and innovate helps them find food and survive changing conditions. These birds are notorious for investigating cars, backpacks, and camping equipment. Their curiosity sometimes gets them into trouble, but it also highlights their remarkable cognitive abilities. The kea's intelligence, curiosity, and social skills make it one of the most fascinating birds on the planet and a true feathered genius. 5. Raven, the strategic thinker. Ravens have earned a reputation as some of the smartest animals in nature. Their intelligence is often compared to that of great apes. These birds can solve complex puzzles, use tools, and plan for future events. Researchers have observed ravens hiding food in secret locations and returning later to retrieve it. Even more impressively, ravens can anticipate theft by other birds. They often create fake hiding spots to deceive potential thieves, demonstrating strategic thinking. Ravens are excellent learners and quickly adapt to new situations. They recognize individual humans and remember positive or negative experiences for years. Their communication skills are equally remarkable. Ravens use a wide range of sounds and signals to interact with others and coordinate activities. Scientists have found evidence that ravens understand cause and effect relationships and can solve problems requiring multiple steps. These abilities reveal a level of intelligence rarely seen outside mammals. Ravens continue to surprise researchers with behaviors that suggest sophisticated reasoning and planning. Their combination of memory, deception, and problem-solving firmly secures their place among the smartest birds on Earth. 4. Cockatoo, the inventive bird. Cockatoos are highly intelligent parrots known for their creativity and curiosity. They enjoy exploring objects and often invent new ways to solve problems. Studies have shown that cockatoos can open locks, manipulate tools, and complete multi-step challenges. Some even learn how to operate mechanisms they've never encountered before. Their intelligence is closely tied to their playful nature. By experimenting with different actions, they discover solutions that many animals would never attempt. Cockatoos also display strong social intelligence. They form deep bonds with flock members and communicate through vocalizations and body language. Researchers have observed cockatoos creating tools from available materials to obtain food. This ability demonstrates planning and innovation. Their impressive memory allows them to remember successful strategies and apply them in future situations. Whether unlocking containers or solving puzzles, cockatoos consistently demonstrate cognitive abilities that rival some of the world's smartest animals. Their inventiveness and adaptability make them one of the most fascinating examples of avian intelligence. 3. Magpie, the self-aware bird. Magpies possess one of the rarest abilities in the animal kingdom, self-recognition. In scientific mirror tests, magpies have demonstrated behaviors suggesting they understand that the reflection belongs to them. This skill is considered an important indicator of self-awareness and has been observed in only a handful of species worldwide. Magpies also have excellent memory and social intelligence. They recognize individual birds and maintain complex social relationships within their groups. These birds are skilled problem solvers and can adapt quickly to changing environments. Their intelligence helps them locate food, avoid predators, and navigate social challenges. Magpies are highly curious and often investigate unfamiliar objects. This curiosity encourages learning and innovation. Researchers have found that magpies remember the locations of hidden food and can retrieve it later with remarkable accuracy. Their combination of self-awareness, memory, and adaptability places them among the most intelligent birds ever studied. The magpie's remarkable mind continues to provide scientists with valuable insights into animal cognition and consciousness. 2. New Caledonian Crow, the master tool maker. The New Caledonian crow is famous for creating and using tools with astonishing precision. Many scientists consider it one of the most intelligent non-human animals on Earth. These crows craft hooks from twigs and leaves to extract insects from hard-to-reach places. They don't simply use available objects, they actively modify them for specific tasks. Researchers have observed these birds solving multi-step puzzles requiring planning and logical reasoning. Some experiments suggest they can understand cause and effect relationships at an advanced level. New Caledonian crows also demonstrate impressive foresight. They often select tools in advance and carry them to locations where they will be needed later. Their problem-solving skills rival those of some primates, despite having much smaller brains. Young crows learn tool-making techniques through observation and practice, creating a form of cultural knowledge passed between generations. Their extraordinary intelligence has transformed scientific understanding of animal cognition and tool use. Few birds have challenged assumptions about intelligence as dramatically as the New Caledonian crow. 1. Crow, the ultimate bird genius. Taking the number 1 spot is the crow, widely regarded as the smartest bird on the planet. Crows possess extraordinary problem-solving abilities, memory, and adaptability. Scientists have documented crows using tools, recognizing human faces, and solving puzzles that require multiple steps. Some can even bend wires into hooks to retrieve food. Crows remember people who treat them well or badly and can share that information with other crows. This demonstrates both memory and social learning. They also understand complex concepts such as water displacement. In experiments, crows dropped stones into containers to raise water levels and access floating food. These birds thrive in cities, forests, and rural environments because they quickly adapt to new challenges. Their intelligence helps them exploit opportunities that other animals miss. Researchers continue discovering behaviors that reveal sophisticated reasoning and planning abilities. The crow's remarkable combination of memory, creativity, communication, and tool use places it at the top of the avian intelligence rankings. If there were a university for birds, the crow would almost certainly graduate at the top of its class. Which of these incredible birds surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing facts about nature, animals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.